Ladies and gentlemen, I'm standing on the bed today because, as I'm sure you can tell by the video title, we passed our first evaluation account in the Road to 20 PA video series. Let's get it. Welcome to day 17 on the Road to PA video series, where I attempt to get 20 PA accounts with my prop trading firm and get paid out on all 20 of them. Today we go over passing accounts with ease and how to be patient on second entries, and how being patient can yield great financial dividends. Let's get into this one. Alright guys, I'm starting the video. I'm going to take my first trade of the day. What I'm looking at is we had this strong push below this consolidation trading range area. Very strong push. It zipped down here in like 2 minutes. And we got to about this level right here and we started correcting. We had first correction leg, first entry short, second correction leg, second entry short. I didn't want to enter in on that second entry short because the signal bar sucked. But we just got a lower high. How big is this? 505.25, 325. See if we can get in on this.
Order filled.
And we're filled. Alright, so let's see if we can get the scalp out. The scalp out is perfectly at the bottom of these lows, so it's a good spot to get out. But again, what I was looking at is we have two correction legs. First entry short, second entry short. Signal bar was bad. It went above the EMA, so I didn't really like that second entry short. But now we have a lower high right here. So I'm hoping we can get a second leg down looking like this one. But we will see. Let's see how this trade works out. It is getting kind of stacked right there now, so. But good risk to reward ratio here. It's more than 1 to 1, so. We'll see how it works out. It is coming back up. That level is kind of holding, but strong rejections from the EMA every time. Let's see if this one works out.
Target filled.
Alright, and we are filled. Once again, oh my lordy lord. It's looking like we're getting that second leg down. I can tell it's so powerful waiting for a lower high confirmation. I mean, even if you took this second entry short up here, it still would have scalped you out, but you would have had so much extra stress of this green bar and this lower high bar coming back up and thinking you're gonna get stopped out. It might even make you exit your order because you get so scared. So if you're ever unsure, or if the setup doesn't look extra clean and there's just that one little variable that's rubbing you the wrong way, just wait for a lower high. Just wait for a different confirmation of the setup, because I guarantee you there's at least 100 other people looking for the exact same confirmation that you're going to wait for, just like right here. Again, we had strong push down below this trading range indicating bearish bias. We have the correction phase resuming right here at this low. We have correction phase, first entry short, correction phase, second entry short underneath this doji bar with no body. Hold up. And you can't really go short under that bar because it has bullish momentum. The body closes more towards the top of the bar, so it doesn't show that buyers are really rejecting prices, or sellers are really rejecting prices at the EMA like you're expecting it to. So you wait for this bar to close. Second entry short triggers right here. Doesn't scalp out at all, I don't think. 0475, no. It only moves 1 point in your favor before it reverses back up, but this green bar, and then you get this nice lower high bar, and then a strong rejection off the EMA off the lower high. So that's when you know the sellers are actually jumping in the market. Sometimes the second entry shorts and the second entry longs just take a little bit longer to take off. So you have to time the entries right. It's crucial that you understand that, because not every second entry short is just gonna bounce off the EMA perfectly and just move down immediately. Sometimes they consolidate up here like this. We have a couple bars stacked next to each other before it really takes off. So you just have to be careful about that kind of stuff. But let's see how this runner can do.
Target filled.
Shit. Alright, well, we just passed our account. So I tried getting out of the runner before it reached 3,000, because now I have to come up with $150 to pay for my performance account. But it's a good problem to have. So with that said, we just passed our first evaluation account in this video series. Let's get it, boys. The next time you see me trading, it should be on a paid account, a funded account. Let's get it. Actually, you know what I'm going to do right now? We're going to add a text. PA accounts 1. Let's get it, boys. Put it right there. Or we can put it right here. Beautiful. This is where the series really starts to get fun. Let's get it. Alright guys, that was my one and only live trade for the day. As you can see, the market really took off to the downside. The reason I exited that runner early was because I didn't want to go too far over the threshold for passing the account. I just wanted to secure it and lock in the past evaluation account. Next time you see me trading, it still might be on an evaluation account because it does take some time to process. So when we are live trading on the performance account, I will let you guys know. I did update the I can show you guys. I did update the screen to say on the bottom, in the bottom next to the profitable days in a row, and now it now says PA accounts, and it will list the number of performance accounts I have. I thought that was pretty fitting because the name of the video series is The Road to 20 PA Accounts. So once that number says 20 and we get paid out on all 20 accounts, this video series will come to an end successfully. But before that, we have tons of work to do, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there.